Hey, have you been looking for some barbecue appetizer recipes? Bacon wrapped burger bites. You see, I've got some bacon here. I'm going to smash some ground beef down on this bacon. This will take a little bit of time. It's not hard. It's just, this happens to be Wagyu ground beef. You don't have to have Wagyu. Now what we're going to do, season with your favorite barbecue rub here on the inside. I'm using the Everglades cactus dust. It has no sugar. That's why I use it. And now we're going to roll this bacon up in this hamburger, ground beef, whatever you want to call it. Now what I'll do, and I know somebody's going to say, oh, you're touching the seasoning, you got it on. Yep, I'm almost out. I'm going to throw this bottle away when I'm done. So there's one of them. So 1 pound of ground beef will make 7 of these guys. Now you could have thinned the ground beef out more and made 8. We've got our last one here. I can't wait to get these on the grill. Get them all smoked up. Get the tops here and the sides. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get out to the grill. Now with all that bacon grease dripping down, I am going to cook these over indirect heat. Get my grill grate on. I mean, it is bright out here. Going to get these on our grill. There's the last one. Let's get to cooking. Let's make a dipping butter sauce. Got a stick of butter here. We're going to put about 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, some paprika, 1/2 teaspoon, and some onion powder, about a 1/2 teaspoon as well. Let's get it on the grill. Let me get our butter on there. It's been about 30 minutes. Bacon fat is starting to render down. Just going to keep cooking. Hey, it's been about 50 minutes. We're just going to turn them over and dip them in that butter sauce. Look at the color. We're starting to get some nice color. How about we just dip them in that butter sauce? There's not enough cholesterol in here already. Get this last one here. That butter sauce. Let's keep cooking. The temperature of this Kamado grill was right around 300, 325. Get that lid up. There they are. You could put barbecue sauce on them. I just want to have this bacon, this butter sauce, and this ground beef. I'm talking about awesome barbecue appetizers right there. Saltiness from the bacon, substance from that Wagyu ground beef. You got to try this one.